If you are a woman over 40 or 50, like myself, who is working to support and maintain lean muscle, one of the most important things that you can learn and practice is how to structure your meals throughout the day. Now, for myself, I have spent many years eating healthy and working out, which is amazing for general health and wellness, but it's not the same as eating to maintain or support lean muscle. And this is something that became very important to me after watching my mom struggle with strength the last few years of her life. So in this video, I am going to show you what I eat in a day as a 50-year-old woman who is actively working to get stronger and prioritize protein in my diet. But do keep in mind, I am simply sharing a snapshot of where I am right now, and I'm not suggesting that you should be doing this as well, but I too find it very fun and inspiring to see what other people eat in a day. So I'm going to do that, and as I go through the video, I'm going to show you how much protein I'm getting from each meal so you can see how it adds up as the day goes on. But before I jump in, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, LMNT. If you've been with me for a while, then you know I am a huge fan of LMNT. They have been a part of my daily routine for years. LMNT is a high quality, zero sugar electrolyte drink mix and sparkling electrolyte drink that was specifically made for anyone living a healthy, active lifestyle, and I am going to share more on them in just a bit. So I always start the day with water and coffee, but I'm going to be honest with you, once that coffee brews, I have a hard time finishing up my water. So I started doing this clever little trick, and I'm very proud of myself for it. Before I go to bed at night, I put a thermos of water and a glass in my bathroom. So I drink that while I'm getting ready for the day before I even come downstairs. Then once I come downstairs, there's no obstacle between me and the coffee. I just make the coffee. I've already drank my water and I enjoy the coffee. Now I always ebb and flow with how I do coffee, but right now I am on a black coffee kick. Sometimes I surprise myself. So I do 2 8-ounce pods of black dark roast organic coffee. Simple, I put it right into the 16-ounce mug, and then heaven has arrived. Then next up is breakfast, which I usually eat a couple hours after I wake up and about an hour before I go to the gym. I am currently strength training 4 to 5 days per week. I am working with a fitness coach and I am working on progressive overload. So just working to get stronger over time. So the breakfast I have been making on repeat is my avocado egg white toast on sourdough. It's so simple, you have to make it. All I do is I toast up a piece of sourdough bread, and then I top that with about half of a small avocado, or if the avocado is a little bigger, I'll do a little less than half, so it's about 50 grams. And then I just mash the avocado right on top of the toast. Then I scramble up 1 cup of egg whites, and I love to season the egg whites with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I pretty much love to season everything with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And while I do love a whole egg, whole eggs are delicious, they're nutritious. If you are somebody who's working to increase your protein intake, egg whites can be your best friend because they are essentially pure protein and they truly are absolutely delicious. I always buy them pre-separated like this because it makes for a very easy, convenient protein source. Once the egg whites are scrambled, I lay that right on top of my toast, and then I sprinkle over the top a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. I serve that up with about a cup of fresh berries on the side. I've got some raspberries and blueberries, and breakfast is served. This one is so simple, it's so quick, it is absolutely delicious, and this will deliver you, my friend, 30 grams of protein to start your day. Then before I head out to the gym, I will grab my 40-ounce water bottle. I put a little bit of ice in there. I fill it with water. I add 1 scoop or 5 grams of creatine, which also, again, helps to support skeletal muscle and strength, and a half a packet of LMNT. Now I do this to support hydration. I do find it helps me feel more focused and energized when I'm at the gym. And more importantly, I've said this before, but I feel a level of hydration that I just don't get when I drink regular water. And that's because proper hydration is going to support better sleep, better energy, better focus, and many other things. Okay, so I go to the gym, I do my workout, working on those 50-year-old muscles, feeling proud, doing the thing. I come home and it is time for lunch. And lunch is my biggest meal of the day because it's also when I am the hungriest after I do this workout. So the lunch that I've been eating quite often, and I actually shared this one with you guys already as well, it is my tuna and rice bowl. I want to just say as a side note, one thing I have been doing as I've been focusing on structuring meals throughout the day is I do a lot of like eat and repeat. If I find something I like, I will eat it for several days until my body's like, we want something different today. So if you're trying to simplify mealtime, try finding meals that you love and then just eat and repeat. So for this recipe, I start with the base. So I do 1 cup of basmati rice and 1 cup of cauliflower rice. I love the cauliflower rice because it adds a little bit of extra volume and fiber. And as you know, if you've been with me for a while, your girl likes volume. I like a good meal. Okay, so I have that. Then next up is our protein, and I'm adding in 1 can of skipjack tuna that I have drained. So you drain all the liquid out and just get the tuna into the bowl along with 1 chopped hard-boiled egg. In my humble opinion, eggs just make everything more delicious. So I love just chopping an egg into this mix. Then for the fun part, these are like all the flavor boosters. First, I do salt, pepper, garlic powder, I love this combo, and some more everything but the bagel seasoning. Then I've got some chopped red onion, a little bit of chopped pickled jalapenos, and a big handful of baby spinach. And then I just mix it all together. And as you can see, this is a huge bowl of food. It is so delicious. It is so nutritious. And then what I'll do is I'll usually serve it with a little bit of fruit on the side, which I usually eat when I'm done. It's kind of like a little sweet bite when I'm finished. So whether that's some berries or some orange or some grapes, whatever we have on hand. And this meal in and of itself delivers over 40 grams of protein. And for those of you who want the details of the measurements for each meal and the actual like how much protein is there, how much fiber, etc., I'm going to leave all of those details for you down in the description box below so you have that available if you want to check it out. So after lunch, which I actually have pretty early in the day, it's time for me to really focus in on work. So what I sometimes do is I will take that rest of that LMNT packet and pour a little bit into my water. So I'm enjoying that throughout the afternoon. But lately, I've been really enjoying the 12-ounce sparkling LMNT. Now I will still make a big water, but I'll just put a little bit of lemon in there. And then I enjoy this guy because this is everything I love about LMNT, but with bubbles. And I love anything with a bubble. So these tasty slim cans deliver 500 milligrams of sodium, 100 milligrams of potassium, and 30 milligrams of magnesium. Plus they are delicious. They're refreshing, salty, bright, crisp, and I find like just sipping on one, it feels like a little treat. Sometimes I'll even grab one if I'm picking the kids up from school or if I'm walking the dog, but mostly you will see me sipping on this when I'm working on recipes or sitting on my computer doing all the things I love to do. Personally, I am loving the pineapple salt, but they are also available in lemonade salt, black cherry salt, and orange salt. So if you love something that's light, crisp, refreshing, and you want to level up your hydration game, especially as we are coming into the warmer weather, you're definitely going to want to check them out. And as always, LMNT is offering a free sample pack to anybody in the Clean and Delicious community with any order. So you get to try all of their most popular flavors, which is going to be the citrus, the raspberry, the watermelon, and the orange. So if you grab a pack of the 12-ounce sparkling LMNT, you will get that free sample pack with it. All you need to do is use my link, which is www.drinklmnt.com/Danny Spies, and I'm gonna have that for you down in the description box below. Okay, so the next meal of the day is another one you may recognize because I tend to share with you guys what I'm making and excited about, and it is the viral no-bake Japanese yogurt cheesecake. I mean, really what this is Greek yogurt and some of these sweet cracker thins. Let me show you. So basically what I do is into a small jar, this is a 10-ounce jar, I love these jars, obsessed. If you're looking for a good jar, I'll link it for you. I put 1 cup, 225 grams of Greek yogurt. This is a non-fat Greek yogurt. You could do 2%, you could do full fat. Get that into the jar. Then I add a squish of liquid stevia, a good hearty dash of cinnamon, and then this is optional, but I do like to sprinkle in a little bit of protein powder right at the end. This is just gonna bump up the total protein count for this meal. So it's gonna bring it to almost 35 grams. Without it, it would be closer to 25 grams, which is also awesome. So if you want the extra protein, add the powder. If you don't, you can skip it. Delicious both ways. Mix it together, get it really well incorporated, and then I finish this with these little honey cinnamon cracker thins, and I stick about 8 of those into the jar. You could use any type of graham cracker or sweet biscuit that you have on hand or that you love. And normally I'll make these in advance, so I have them in the fridge ready to go. But if you haven't tried them yet, I recommend you do. They truly taste like a little cup of cheesecake. They're so light and fluffy and creamy and delicious. And if you're like excited about this like I am, make sure you check out my video where I talked about these, because I shared a bunch of flavor options as well. Linking it for you down below. And then for dinner, this was my 4th and final meal for this day. I had the pleasure of having the whole family at home, which doesn't happen as much as I would like it to now that we've got teenagers rolling around. So I wanted to make something that we could all enjoy as a family, but that would still align with my goals, because I like to tell myself is there's a way to make it work. There is a way to make it work. We look for solutions, not for problems. And so I made my turkey cottage cheese lasagna, which I hope you've tried this one. It is so good and it's so easy, right? So I prep it in the morning, I have it all ready to go, and then about an hour before dinner, I just pop it in the fridge, and we all have a chance to sit down, eat a cozy family style meal. I served it up with some salad on the side, and voila. This delicious and easy dinner has just under 35 grams of protein, bringing the grand total for the day to 150 grams, or somewhere really, really close to that. So as you can see, it's actually not that hard to hit protein goals when you put a little bit of intention and focus on the protein game. Again, if you are interested in the nitty-gritty details of each of these meals and the protein content and the fiber content and all of that good stuff, I've got it for you down in the description box below. And also, if you enjoy this style video, let me know, and I will keep that in mind for the future as well. Thanks again to LMNT for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to check them out, I've got all the info for you down in the description box below. And if you want some more higher protein eat in a day inspiration, be sure to check this video out next. Cheers.